Uh, okay, Safan, then we will start. Uh, we will start with the quadratic equations. Okay, so quadratic equations. So this is a standard form of quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this you have already done in class 10, and in class 11th we need to solve a quadratic equation and we have a complex number in that. Okay, we will check it. So Safan, what is a quadratic equation? An equation having a degree 2 is known as quadratic equation. And how can you solve this quadratic equation? We have a two method. We can do this by the factorization method. And second, we have a quadratic formula. We have this quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is a quadratic formula. In this class 10th, you have done this discriminant. Okay, denoted by d. And what is d? B square minus 4ac. Safan, this is clear. This is of class 10th.
Yes, sir. Yes, I
Okay.
remember. Yes.
Okay, so this is discriminant, and on the basis of the discriminant, we can say that the roots are real or not. So we have first type. First, when d, this discriminant is greater than 0. If this is greater than 0, then we will say that the roots are real and unequal. Second is d is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Third, we have d less than 0, and we will say that the roots are imaginary. Okay, now what is mean by this? What are roots? This is a quadratic equation, and when we will solve this, we get the value of x. Those are called the roots. So to find the roots of a quadratic equation, we have this formula, quadratic formula: x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this formula you must have used in class 10th. Next, we calculate the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. First is if d is greater than 0. If this discriminant is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Okay, you will get a real roots and the roots are not equal to each other. If d is greater than 0, this means if this part is 0, remove this part, then what happened with the roots? Roots will be real and these will be equal. Now when d is less than 0, so if in under root we get a negative, less than 0 means negative. So under root minus 4 is what, Safan?
-2.
2
No,
iota.
okay, 2 iota.
Okay, 2 iota, not -2. So if d is less than 0, then in the root we will get a negative, and you already know that if in a root we get a negative, then this will become imaginary. Okay, so roots are imaginary. These two cases you have already done in class 10th. So in 11th, we will do the questions which are based on this one, d is less than 0. Okay,
Okay.
so please note down this. Then we will start some questions. Please let me know once you complete it.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, Safan. Then we will take one question. Question is solve. Okay. So, Safan, what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to
X is equals to ax square plus
minus
minus
b
b plus minus root d.
mhm, by 2a. So this is a quadratic formula. Now from this equation, okay, comparing x square with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get what? We will compare with this, I know. So we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. This clear, Safan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the quadratic formula. So put the values over here. -1 plus minus under root of 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. So this will gives you x is equal to -1 plus minus, and this is what? 1 minus 4 is -3 by 2, and this will give you x is equal to -1 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. Safan, this clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the method of solving the quadratic equation. So please note down this, and we will do just 2 more questions, then we will start the sets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please let me know once you complete it.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan, then please try this question. Okay, we have already written the question. So this is the second part. 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, please solve it.
Done, sir.
Okay, so Safan, what's the answer?
Uh, X is equals to 1 plus minus root 7 iota by 4.
Yeah, -1, you know, x is equal to -1. The formula is minus b.
Yes, yes, -1, -1.
Yeah, very good. So good. Just do one more question, then this chapter is complete. Next question is x squared
Complete,
plus.
sir.
Yeah. This quadratic equation is in complex number. Okay. So we have already done the complex number. Now
Okay.
this part is in the complex. So the complete chapter will complete after this question. Please complete this one. X squared plus 2 is equal to 0.
Done, sir.
Okay, Safan, what's the answer?
Minus 0 plus minus root 8 iota by 2.
Okay, let me check. So Safan, in this case, can we shift this to the right side? Okay, and
Yeah.
we will get x is equal to plus minus and the root minus 2. And this will give
Oh,
us plus minus root 2 iota. Okay, Safan?
okay, sir. Okay.
So what the answer you had told me, this is the same. You know, both are correct.
Yes, yes.
So both the methods are correct. You have used the quadratic formula, that's also correct. And I have done this by direct method. So this is your wish. You can use any of the formula. Okay, so Safan, this complex number quadratic equation, this chapter is complete. So please try to do the questions of quadratic equation and note down the homework. Exercise NCRT exercise 5.3. Okay.